Hi guys, now today let me take you on to Costa Diadema, which is a dream class cruise ship operated by Costa Cruises. Now today we're going to be looking at an inside cabin, and if you'd like to see other grades of cabin on this ship, just head over to my channel and select the exact cabin that you'd like to have a look around. Now, let's get to it. So the room that we're going to look at today is cabin 7029, so you're in an inside cabin up on deck number 7. Now coming in here, the first thing that I should warn you is that this obviously isn't a brand new megaship, so the room will be slightly more dated than what you'll see in a lot of other cruise ships on my channel. Now let me give you a spin round, because one thing that I was really impressed with was how light and bright this cabin was, given the fact that it's on the inside of the ship. There are lights absolutely everywhere. Now directly opposite the bed, you've got the usual sort of vanity kit with big strip lights down either side, and then if we look on the desk, you've got your phone where you can call ashore and also call other cabins on board. You've then got your welcome literature, and behind that you've got your plug points. Now underneath the desk you've got a stool, you've got a bin in there, and then you've got your drawers. The top one houses your hairdryer, and the three that fall beneath that are all empty. Now all those drawers do, as you can see, click shut, so if you are on the ship at night and it's moving, then yeah, your drawers aren't going to open and wake you up during the night. Now on the other wall over here, you've got two hooks, which are always handy, and under here you've got your fridge or your minibar. Now I always say to people, if you're not on a drinks package and if you're paying for your minibar, just get it emptied and then you can use that to store your own things during the cruise. Now moving over to look at storage, you've got, I think, a lot of storage for this cabin. Now in here you've got loads of shelves and a full length mirror on the other side. You've also got your safe, which is free of charge on here, so you don't need to leave deposits or anything, it's all good to go. In this one here, you've got your life jackets at the bottom, some floor to ceiling hanging space, followed by a shelf at the top. And then if we move over, you've got a third one, which is brilliant, and it's just more full length hanging space with a shelf on top. So I think, given the fact this cabin is designed for two people, you can also book it as a solo. I honestly think you've got loads and loads of room in here. I would say the same, generally speaking, with all of the other cabin types that I did see on this cruise ship. Now that's the bedroom. Now let me take you around and show you in the bathroom. Now just a mention of the aircon, it's one of those hotter or colder settings, and the fans on this ship, I never found them to be a problem at all. Now, the bathroom is slightly more old-fashioned than the rest of the room, I would say. Definitely the pink sink gives that away. But do you know what? In terms of using a bathroom like this, it's got every single facility that you would have in any other more modern cruise ship. Just maybe the colours aren't exactly your taste. Now, the other thing that I would point out is that this room does have a shower curtain, which, yeah, I won't dwell on it too long, but that's probably my pet hate, having a shower curtain on a cruise ship, because you tend to find that you can be fighting with it half the time that you're in there. Now you've also got a washing line so you can hang up your stuff during your week. And yeah, two hooks on the back of the door. Now I'll take you out and give you one last look, but this is an inside cabin up on deck 7 of Costa Diadema. So let me know down in the comments, would you stay in this room, or would you need a window, or would you need a balcony, or would you cruise elsewhere? Let me know. I'm really keen to hear. But yeah, I'm living on cruise ships all year, so I've got lots to show you. So remember to like the video, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Cheers guys, bye.